Hello, this is Mark Bakker again, and this is a short video on how to use the remote administration tools on a Windows server instead of a Windows 10. Some people use like the laptop for that. They have their tools on that, and perhaps they have a VPN and they can use their tools. But most of the time, you don't have an admin account on your laptop, and you basically sort of two-factor authenticate into your data center, and from there you should have like a server operating system where you can do your work from. So I have both. I use Windows 10 and I use the server OS just for demo purposes, but normally I always use a server OS. I don't like the Windows 10 much in a data center, but that's besides the point. So I'm going to show you how you install the remote uh, administration tools on Windows Server. You don't need to download anything for that. So you can do a get Windows feature, for instance, and you can do like wildcards and RSAT. Now you have here a list of all the, I showed you that earlier, of course, of all the administrative tools, right? So those are the same, you already recognize them. Perhaps there's even a little bit more than on Windows 10, but it should be sort of the same. And basically what you can do in Windows is also like a add Windows feature, Windows feature, and then if you do like RSAT and then minus, include all sub features. That basically means, it implies that you install this feature, right? RSAT, and that's this one, and then all sub features. So that means you have all the tools at your disposal. I already did that here. I'm not going to do it again. Just wanted to show you that you can use a server operating system as well for your administrative tools. You know, if you want to do some computer management remotely, for instance, you can do that from a server as well. You don't need like a Windows 10 for that. So I connect to my domain controller, for instance, remotely now. If it's running, it should be, yeah. See? So now I do it from a server instead of a Windows 10. Uh, yeah, so I think that's better to use a server operating system in a data center, especially because you're running with elevated credentials, you know, with an admin account, and it's not very wise to do that directly on your laptop. So, and Windows 10 in the data center, you don't see that often. It's more like server operating system. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video now. So this way you can install the RSAT components on a Windows server. Just make sure you use the latest operating system. Most of the tools are backwards compatible, so you can connect to an older operating system. But vice versa doesn't work. So if you have like 2012 R2 server and you still install the Windows features, the remote administration tools, you probably won't be able to manage 2016 server fully. Lots of stuff will work though, but I think there are some things that will be buggy or perhaps don't even work at all. So keep that in mind. Just install this on the latest operating system and then you can connect backwards to older operating systems with the remote administration tools. Okay, that was it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.